Learn how to take control of your life, accomplish your goals, and challenge yourself to go beyond your comfort zone. Every day, many of us say to ourselves, today is the day. Today is the day we face our fears, we will lose weight, get promoted, and finally achieve our goals. Then the next day, we wake up and say, maybe next week. But the issue isn't with our goals, ourselves, or attitude. Our approach is the issue. Why do we believe that we can simply wake up and change everything? It is not only unlikely but also potentially dangerous. The compound effect provides another option: build momentum. Devise a strategy, gradually replace negative behaviors with positive ones, and overcome our limitations. The Compound Effect, published by Success Magazine, is a practical how-to guide for achieving your goals and becoming successful. After watching this video, you will understand how to build momentum like Michael Phelps, why aiming for the quickest success can be harmful to your health, and what Arnold Schwarzenegger's weightlifting method can teach you about success. Consistent progress is more rewarding than immediate success. We all want instant results, including fast money and quick promotions. However, long-term changes produce positive results and far more rewarding. In the age of now, we eat fast food because cooking takes too long. We follow quick fixed diet plans to lose 20 pounds in a week, and we become restless if we do not get results within a year. However, the more quickly we achieve a goal, the greater the consequences can be. You should expect results later. If you don't lose these 20 pounds in 7 days, you might get down on yourself and think you never deserved a better life. You need to take small steps because daily small positive actions are the key to long-term success. Take Swat as an example. Instead of trying to lose 20 pounds in a week, he reduced the number of calories he consumed each day by 125, walked a little bit more each day, and listened to self-improvement audios while commuting to work. As a result, he lost 15 kg in 31 months and even received a raise in pay and a promotion at work. Using the compound effect means understanding that every decision you make shapes your destiny and that you must work consistently to achieve success. You must keep up your discipline to progress after attaining your objectives. Otherwise, all of your previous efforts will have been in vain. It's critical to stay positive even if you are still waiting to see immediate results. So what are the secrets to long-term success? Make your life goals as a part of your daily routine. Sometimes we don't want to admit it, but our choices determine our future and we are responsible for what we do or don't do. Sometimes it's the seemingly insignificant decisions that hold us back from success. No one wants to gain a lot of weight or go bankrupt. But that's what happens when you make many bad but small decisions. You have probably been in a situation where you eat a whole bag of chips and when you are done, you realize you ruined a day of healthy eating. It's difficult to accept that you are solely responsible for your actions. Maybe you think it's bad luck, but that's just an excuse for your bad decisions. Everyone can get lucky. To be lucky, you simply need to recognize good opportunities. You must link your decisions to the right motivation and clear goals because having defined goals allows you to focus on them much more effectively. Your mind will begin to see the opportunities in front of you and you will start to take advantage of them. Remember the law of attraction, which states that like attracts like. Positive actions will attract positive things to you if you think about them. So, what are your objectives? What makes you happy? Consider business, health, spirituality, family, and lifestyle. Write down all the attributes, behaviors, and characteristics required to achieve those goals and then try to apply them in your daily life. This requires breaking old habits. Make a list of your bad habits so you can see when and where you act in a way that isn't good for you. If you must have something sweet after a meal, keep some fruit or honey nearby for a healthier option. It also helps if you are surrounded by people with the same goals and are patient with yourself. Establish a routine to maintain your momentum. So far we have learned that making the right decisions is the first step toward achieving success. But how do you keep that habit going? You make use of the big move. If you maintain your healthy habits for an extended time, you will develop a natural, consistent rhythm. If you keep up that pace, you will find yourself making the right decisions and feeling unstoppable. That is the power of the big move, the big momentum. It is the most powerful motivator for success. Consider swimming Michael Phelps. Only once in the past 12 years has his trainer permitted him to leave his workout early. At that time, he was allowed to skip 50 minutes of his workout to go to a school dance. However, all of that preparation led to Big Mo, which ultimately resulted in him winning 8 gold medals at the Olympics. To maintain momentum, your healthy behavior must be integrated into your daily routine, which requires a plan. Always remember the importance of being practical and do not pressure yourself to complete everything concisely. Instead, make a routine that lets you ease into your new life. So, forget about going to the gym for 2 hours every day. It's much better to go 3 times a week for an hour and keep that scheduled. When building momentum, how long you work out is insignificant. What is important is that you continue to show up. Next, remove situations that cause you to deviate from your objectives. For example, social media can negatively impact your energy without realizing it. Commercials, news about war, and so on can negatively impact your attitude and expectations. Instead of spending time on social media, why not listen to inspirational audio or talk with someone you care about? Finally, be aware of your surroundings. Sometimes you have to change things to achieve your goals. People significantly influence you, so surround yourself with positive people to keep your momentum. Accepting challenges will accelerate your path to success. You are bound to reach some personal limits as you progress. The question is whether you will cease your efforts to break through the wall or continue pushing. The separation between your old self and your new improved one and the wall of your discipline and routine symbolizes a stronger self. You will see that your new habits have a compounding effect and you will develop into a more successful person. So when you think you have reached your limit, push through it to get faster results and multiply your success. Remember Arnold Schwarzenegger's famous weight training cheating principle. When you have completed the maximum number of lifts possible, lean back to access other muscle groups that will help support the working muscles. This allows you to add 5 or 6 reps to your set. Similarly, pushing yourself beyond your limits will only serve to strengthen you. Consider the following scenario. You have come within 5 pounds of your weight loss goal but hit a brick wall due to work stress. Remember, without your old self-destructive behavior, you already know how to be disciplined, make good choices, and build momentum. So choose to persevere, and you will discover that you will not only achieve your goal, but you will also be more robust. It is always beneficial to push yourself further. Go for a little longer and prepare better. That is why the author spends so much time researching the companies to whom he gives keynote speeches. He goes above and beyond what is expected of him, which makes his speeches extremely popular. To put yourself ahead of others and your previous self, you must push yourself beyond your limits. This book's main lesson is the key to success are accepting responsibility for your life, developing healthy daily habits, cultivating discipline, and pushing yourself beyond your comfort zone. Getting to your goals as quickly as possible can sometimes be harmful and impossible. Instead, slow and steady progress will get you where you want to go.